Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to be showing and reviewing my new joystick which I bought 2 days ago. So before moving to the video, make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video and comment on your thoughts about this joystick. So let's get started. So now I am going to be opening this joystick. So actually unboxing this joystick and showing you some specifications about this joystick. First let's see what is in this box. For here we see gamepad with vibration. So this is an Enter company gamepad joystick. www.enter.world.com. You can check this website either if you want to check or not. So the model number is EGPV. Back at this cover we got the same gamepad with vibration, and here the company name, and then here we have features of this gamepad. Wait a minute. So USB interface, plug and play, compatible to Windows 9, 2000 ME XP Vista. So it has even ergonomic shape for comfort during play. Caution: do not allow liquid or small particles to get into the joypad. Do not throw, drop, step in or put heavy objects in the joypad. Do not expose the joypad to dust, smoke or steam. Avoid the joypad from high temperature, high humidity or direct sunlight. So here we have what and all we can do with this. So this has invert sticks and simple fire buttons and etc. So this is a comfortable. So now we have the joypad in our hands to test up in my laptop. So this is the USB cable that you have to pin on the laptop USB cable. So first let's pin it up. My laptop is a Windows 7 laptop, so I can play high compressed games, and my laptop consists of 2 GB RAM and 200 GB ROM. So over here it will show that you have connected a device, so it's not showing right now. I don't know why. So actually the joypad is connected to the laptop, so if I press this analog button you can see a red light over here, so I can turn it off. So now let's move on to the laptop. As you may know that my joystick has been connected to the laptop, so now you have to check that really the joystick has connected or what. So you have to go to device and printers, and then you can see USB joypad over here. Let me zoom and show you. Generic USB joystick. So you have to click on that. You can see some specifications. So you have to press, there's nothing, you have to just click OK, and then you have to come back, refresh your laptop, and then you have to move to the game whatever you want to go. So let's test with Grand Theft Auto San Andreas first. So here the game is opening up. So now game has opened, so now you have to connect the joystick. You have to press the analog button so that you can see a red light over here. Now let me show you this joystick. So as you can see, we have come into the game. This is called Johnson, you can see here. So you have to do nothing, you have to just walk around. So now you can see that we have entered into the game with the joystick. Wait a minute. So now let's play a little bit of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas or GTA San Andreas. So you can see here I can aim here, and then I'm shooting guns, so I'm changing gun. Well, I'm having a M4A1 with me, so I don't know what vehicle is inside my garage. So here I have 2 Rancher trucks. I'm going to burst them. You can see fire just came. I just got so here cops come. So I gotta save the game. So I've saved the game. So let's test other game. So now let's test using the Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005. So this is the only game that doesn't lag in my laptop. Well, even it's a demo. It's just a demo. So I didn't know how to put the crack file, so that's why I'm using this game as demo since I downloaded it. So you can see here. So I've connected this game too with joysticks. So yeah, we can play this game. Yeah, we can play this game too with joystick. So sorry for the camera shake. So you can see the graphics is okay for the game. I actually don't remember what I have to do. I don't play this game from a lot of time, so I don't know what I have to do. Okay, so now I'm using this game with joysticks, so it's kind of hard to play this game with joystick. So I actually don't know what I have to do. So let's skip this game out. So for today, that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I have given the details of this joypad and link in the description, so you can go and check it out. Thanks for watching.